is going to be a pillow. And it's lilac. This is someone's brand and by Lauren. So we're just going to make her a pillow with this.
Okay, so now I'm going to make this cushion. I've sandwiched some parchment paper in between. I'm going to place 2 sheets, one on the front and one on the back. And I'm going to place it on my heat press.
We're just going to leave a portion open so that way that we can stuff it. This is a 13 by 19.
Let me take off that.
It's just stuff this inside of here. We'll turn this heat press on so we can do that bottom part of it. We're going to heat press this. And then this is the back. And this is a sewless pillow. So see, you have that. And you have your stuffing. And this is so big you can't see it all. I'll turn it this way. But these come out really nice. And this is just a photo. And I put the words on here with just the editor in there. Her brand name. And that.